Hello and welcome to another GJSArt Studio video. I wanted to show you really something quick here. I'm always using Photoshop in my videos, but there is a free alternative as well that works very similar to Photoshop. GIMP is another image manipulation software that you can download for free. It's open source, and like I said, it works very similar. So check that out if you don't have the means to purchase a Photoshop subscription or have the software. Always check this one out. It's at gimp.org. Anyways, on to our next video. What I want to do is I want to show you one of our digital paper graphics, how you would print this image if you wanted to do that. The first thing you would do is, if you have a really nice large-scale printer that prints on large paper, you could print this 12 by 12 image onto that piece of paper at real size. Again, as long as you have larger paper that you can do that with, and then cut out the picture into the size you want. If you don't have those means and you just have a regular printer like I do, open your image in Photoshop, or the imaging software that you have. In Photoshop, you double-click the layer here and make it a layer instead of a background. Let's go to Image and Canvas Size first, and you'll see, again, like I've said before, our images are 12 by 12 high resolution. So let's bring this down to 8.5 by 11, which is a regular size piece of paper, the size of a regular size piece of paper, and we will proceed here. There. Now you have a window that's a regular sheet of paper, and what you can do is you can move the image inside to where you want, what you think looks good. Let's put it right there. I think that looks pretty good. And then I would print. Now, if just like I have an inexpensive printer, it will print a border around this as well, which is fine. I actually think it looks nice with the border. If you don't want the border, you can cut it out. Again, if you have a larger scale printer, you could print it at full size and then cut around the bleed to make sure there's no white paper left on there, and you just have the image. It's really pretty much that simple to print out one of our digital paper images. Thank you.